So we are going to open this folder we have created, 70503. Open item 1, which is having your images you are using. Now, under this folder, let us create a publication document. Right click there, select new, Microsoft Publisher document. Click on it, and remember you are designing a flyer for Shamim restaurant. So you can call it Shamim, Shamim restaurant flyer by sema I don't know 503. Press enter. So after creating your publication document, open it. Open it by right clicking on it and click on open. So we have this window. Uh, we have this window. So the first thing we are going to do is to click on page design, and then page size under page setup. Make sure that your page is on F4 portrait, so that when you are printing out, it can come out clearly. So on page size, make sure you are on F4 portrait. Then come to margins here on page design and make sure you have moderate. Save changes, click on save button or Ctrl plus S as the shortcut. Now let us begin with drawing the shapes. If you look at our already made flyer, it is having some digital shapes here. You can see them. So let us begin with creating these two shapes. So come here on Insert tab, under Illustrations, click on Shapes, and then on the basic shapes here, choose rounded rectangle, rounded corners. So click on it, come and draw it somewhere here. Hold down the left button and you drag until you reach the desired size. So after that, you can release. And now we want to rotate this shape. Click on it. A new tab called shape format will appear. And then you have an option for rotate here. So click on rotate. Come down to more rotation options. Click on more rotation options. Under size here, on the rotation, remove that 0 and you put 40 degrees. 40, just put 40. Then click OK. You realize that our shape has a little bit been rotated. So drag it, put it in the corners around here. Put it in the corners around there. Then click on shape outline and you give it an orange outline. Orange. Come back to shape outline. On weight down here, give it 6 points. So you realize it is a little bit bigger. Then come to shape fill here. Come to shape fill and give it a blue fill. Come and give it a blue color. So after drawing it like that, click on it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to make a copy out of it. And you drag this copy you have made and position it down here. So now you have two shapes. You can try to pull this up a little bit and then this one also a little bit there. So after having these two shapes, let us insert some images. So click on insert. Remember, we have copied our images and pasted them in our folder. So if you have reached that stage, let us put in some images. Remember, we copied our images and we pasted them in our folder. So come and click on insert tab. Click on insert tab and illustrations group. Click on pictures. Then you click on desktop where our folder is located. Same under number 503. Double click on it to open. Double click open item 1. I want to use this first image, picture 1, as my first image. So click on insert. The image is here. So try to resize it by dragging the handles in the sides. Drag them. Drag them like that. Now you realize that our image is covering, the image is covering our shape. So to prevent that, click on the image. On the picture format tab here, there is an option to send it backward. So click on send it backward twice. Yes, now our shape is okay. So you can press Ctrl P to see the print preview. If it is printing on 2 pages, come and click on tiled here. Click on tiled and choose 1 page per sheet, so that you have a view like this. So after that, let us put the location. Go to insert tab, draw text box. Go to insert tab and click on draw text box. Come and draw a small text box around here. Hold down the left button and you draw it. Text box, and then type in some words. Where is your restaurant located? Let me say located. The letters are very small, so highlight and increase the font size to around 30. You can say located, located in Bombo, serving delicious meals with a luxurious bed space. If you see these red handles, it means that the content is too big for that text box. So you can resize it so that they can fit, or you can reduce on the font size from 36 to maybe 28. So you have them there. Highlight your words, change the font style to maybe secure. You can change the font color here to maybe blue, since I've used a lot of blue, and then you borrowed it. Save changes, Ctrl S. So let us put some images here. Come and click on insert. Click on insert. Under illustrations, click on shapes. The other time we said we can use flow charts for preparation, or we can use a hexagon. There is a hexagon. You had chosen a hexagon, so you can click on hexagon, come and draw it around here. Draw a hexagon around there. Let it not be so that big. Draw that hexagon. Come and click on shape outline. You can give it a white background, rather a white outline. So click on white. Then come and click on outline again. Weight. Click on weight and increase the weight to 6 points or 4. Let me give it 4.5. It is not seen here because the outline looks at the background. The background is white and the outline is also white. So click on it, go to insert, pictures, and then bring the second image. Click on insert. So it will come. This one is moving. I want it in my shape. I want it in my shape. Sorry, Control Z. Control Z. I'm supposed to put the picture inside this text box. So I click on it. I click on the text box. Go to insert. Pictures. Click on the picture. Insert. Why is it moving away? Okay, let's move on to let's do it together. After drawing your hexagon, come and give it, click on shape format, shape outline, give it, let me first give it this orange again so that you can see it. Then the weight, let me increase it to 4.5, like that. Now I want to insert an image in this shape, so click on it, then go and click on shape fill. Click on shape fill, then come and click on picture. So click on picture, worker offline, desktop, the folder where your images are. Same and I open it, double click to open item 1. Your images are there. So click on this image, click on insert. The image will be filled. Click on the shape, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to make a duplicate, then position it around here. Position it around there. Click on it, shape fill, picture, worker offline, insert another image, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, can bring another image down here. Click on it, shape fill, picture, worker offline, choose another image. You can put a drink here. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, bring another shape around here. Click on it, shape fill, picture, worker offline, can bring this roasted meat, put it there. So uh, so that's where we are putting some images. Putting some images in our publication to really bring out the picture of what we do at Shamim restaurant. Now, after drawing our images, we have put 4. You can put another one, but I've decided to put 4 here. We can insert another shape. Go back to insert. Then shapes. You can bring a rounded rectangle and you draw it down here at the end of these images. You can draw it there. And the outline, you can give it orange. Weight, you can give it 3 points. Then shape fill, you can give it blue color. So save. So click on the shape, right click, and click on add text. Add text. So type in the text that you want. Maybe contact us, but the letters are very small. Highlight them and increase on the font size to around 24 or 26. Borrowed it, put in the center. You can even change the font color to white. Font color to white. So you can put the telephone number. Telephone numbers. Or those are contacts that you can use. If you have even the third one, you can put it there. Those are contacts. Even if you have email address, you can as well put. If you have email address, you can also put it there. But now here, let us put the name of the business and the logo. Because if now I try to print Control P, this is what I have. So let us put the let me try to put. So these are our numbers at the Shamim restaurant. So maybe if I have an email address, I can press enter and try to resize a little bit. And you put the email. Maybe we say N Shamim rest 23 at gmail.com. So that is email address. So change the font style from Times New Roman to ours we have been using. Yes. Try to print Control P and see whether they are coming out. They are coming out. Now, your business must have a logo and a business name. So what are you going to do? In our first shape there, click on our first shape, right click, and you click on add text. Add text, then type the name of the restaurant. Type the name of the restaurant. Or you can click on insert, draw text box. Come and draw text box around here. Draw a text box. Type the name Shamim Restaurant. The letters are very small. Highlight them and bold. Increase the font to 20 or 22 and change its color to white. So try to drag Shamim Restaurant. Control P. Yes, the name is there. Now I want to put the logo. So click on insert, under shapes, come and bring this oval. Draw this oval somewhere here. Draw a simple logo. Just draw this circle. Change the shape outline to white and increase its weight. Come to outline. Weight maybe 3 points. Like that. Then come on insert, shapes, bring a line here and you draw it in between this shape, the middle, that it can join, make a diameter, can change its color to orange and increase its weight to 6 point. 6 point. Then right click on the shape, add text. You can type SR to mean Shamim Restaurant. Forward, center, can increase its font size to 24 or 26. Change the color to white. Then put the slogan here. Ctrl C, Ctrl V from this text box. And you put the slogan of your restaurant. Maybe a good food, good mood. even put this one down there. And put it in the center, Control E. And you italicize it a little bit. Save changes.